OMG. Yay! What up, y'all? It's your girl OMG. Yay! Let's vlog with C. Happy Saturday, y'all. It's nasty out here. It's gloomy. But anyway, y'all, I'm out and about today. Not gonna be doing too much, y'all. Y'all come with me, ride along with me. Doing laundry right now, and it's nasty outside here in Texas. It's cold. It's like what, like 40 something degrees out here. Anyway, stop what y'all doing. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. It's your girl OMG. Yay! Let's vlog with C. Y'all been doing some grocery shopping. I gotta do a little cleaning and all that good stuff, but y'all come along with me and enjoy this vlog. I ain't gonna be doing too much. It ain't gonna be that long, but y'all come along with me, okay? Let's do this thing. I hope everyone is doing good. You staying blessed and safe out there, y'all, and all that good, okay? Yeah. Y'all, I was trying to do a prank. Yes, I was trying to do a prank. I ain't gonna say what I was gonna do because I have a couple of family members and friends that watch this, so I ain't gonna even put it out there. But just stay tuned for a prank, okay? Stay tuned for a prank. It's gonna be a whole nother different prank, y'all. A lot of y'all have seen the type of prank before. You know, you're a YouTuber, you watch YouTube like me. Y'all, I live on YouTube. You know, ain't no shame in my game. I live on YouTube, literally. I'm always watching something different, you know, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I couldn't find what I needed for the prank, so I'm still searching for it, you feel me? Because the prank is going to get done. It's going to get done. Beware. Beware.
I know you like it, the body, yeah,
bad. Oh my god, y'all, I totally forgot to do the grocery haul. I forgot to tell y'all, I forgot to do the grocery haul. I'm sorry, but yeah, I already put all my groceries up, so it will be another haul. I'm going to do a haul, you know, the groceries that I got. Literally, I got just, you know, mainly the essentials, y'all. You know, toilet paper and paper towels and stuff like that, essentials, meat, you know what I'm saying, foods for next week, for meal prep and all that good stuff. But I'm so sorry, y'all, I totally forgot. I just sat down and forgot that I had to do the haul, and I didn't do the haul. Ugh, I'm so mad at myself, but it's cool though. Y'all don't. Yay! Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl C. Y'all, this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Y'all, for one, I'm tired. Okay, I just got done cleaning out the fridge a little bit. It was hectic before. In there somewhere, y'all see the before and after. I'll post that. It's back there in the video if you go back. But y'all, I'm tired, okay? It's actually 3 bags, y'all. Garbage bags that I filled up with nothing but old stuff in the fridge, y'all. Old stuff, oh my god. Yeah, and I told myself this year I ain't doing it. I ain't having it. Y'all, some stuff in there that was molded and all that. Comment down in the comment section, y'all, if y'all have had that before in y'all fridge, you know what I'm saying? I'm not doing that no more, y'all. I used to be lazy back in the day, like not cleaning out stuff in my refrigerator, y'all, and my freezer. I'm not doing that this time, y'all. But anyway, y'all, stop, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and comment down below. Tell me how you feel down below. I hope y'all enjoyed the little small vlog. We get ready to edit this and get this out to you guys. I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. And it's like 38, 35, 40 degrees outside, y'all. And I just got extremely hot. So, yeah. About to drop all this stuff off at the dumpster in a minute. I got to catch my breath. But y'all, I love y'all so much. Make sure you stay blessed, stay safe, and remember to always stay faithful. It's your girl, OMG. Yay! Let's vlog with C. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned.